Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Loungefly Stitch Holiday Mystery Pens. These were released in October of 2023 and are available at various retailers for $10.90 per box, and there is one pen in each box. I got some of these boxes directly from Loungefly and a few others from Box Lunch. The pen designs are super cute and feature Stitch in various holiday scenarios. It's a 6-pin collection, and the pen designs that we can get are Stitch as a snowman, Stitch gingerbread man, Santa Stitch holding Scrump, we have Stitch carrying presents, Stitch in a stocking, and Stitch next to a giant Scrump snowman. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 8 pins here to open up, which is 8 pins total. I am hoping to complete this entire collection, but the ones I want the most are the Stitch Snowman and Santa Stitch. And it turns out that the Stitch Snowman is actually the chase pen. So that one will have some glitter elements to it, and it will be harder to find. So, of course that's the one I want, right? Yeah, that's the way it always works. So, let's see what we get here in box 1. Can we start out with the chase? Maybe? No, but we did get the Stitch Gingerbread Man. That one is really cool. So we have Stitch there as gingerbread. Awesome. And these are decent sized pens, and they are a black tone finish. Very nice. So we got the Gingerbread Man Stitch. What do we get in box 2? This one we have, looking at the back, I see ears. Looks kind of similar to the Gingerbread Man. Oh, it's not, it's Stitch Santa. Awesome, so I got one of the ones I wanted. So we have Stitch as Santa with Scrump. Nice. Really huge ears coming up out of the Santa hat there. Okay, we got 2 down. So we get in box 3. We have more Stitch ears. Oh, it kind of looks like a Santa one again, and it is. Looking at the back, and it looked very similar. So we have another Santa Stitch. We have our first double. All right, we still have room. Get another double, but that's it. All right, the next one is, well, I'm looking at the back, and the ears look different. So I think this is a new one. And it is Stitch in the stocking. Okay, that one is super cute. That one is awesome. And the stocking, of course, says Stitch. And he's down inside the stocking. I like that one. All right, we made it to halfway. Let's celebrate. All right. And our 5th pin is, we have Stitch with the giant Scrump snowman. That one looks a little bigger, well, at least it's a little wider than the rest. So we have Stitch there, he's got a scarf on, and we have the Scrump snowman behind him. All right, 4 down, 2 to go. We have 3 tries to get these last 2, and of course one of them is the chase pin, which is always harder to find. And this one is, it's the chase pin, it's the Stitch Snowman. Woo! Finally, I get a chase pen. Yes, so this one is Stitch as a snowman, and he's got that same scarf on as in the other snowman one. And then there is a lot of glitter in the snowman. Nice. That is cool. So we got the chase pen. It's been quite a few Loungefly unboxings since I've gotten an actual chase pen. Usually I don't get those at all. All right, well, we've got 5 out of the 6 with 2 more tries to go. And this one looks kind of huge. This one is, no, it's another gingerbread Stitch, or Stitch Gingerbread Man, whatever you want to call it. So another one of those over here, and we are down to our last box, and the one we're missing is Stitch with the present. He's holding the present. It looks like he's running with the present. So that's the only one we're missing so far. Will it be this one? Maybe? Oh, it looks like it's another Santa Stitch. And it is another Santa Stitch. So it's our third Santa Stitch with Scrump. So we did get 3 of those, but hey, 5 out of the 6, and I got the chase pin. So I'm only missing 1, and it's not the chase pin, so that's gonna make things a lot easier. Awesome, these are great pins. So those were the Disney Loungefly Stitch Holiday Mystery Pins. Which one was your favorite out of the 5 that I unboxed? My favorite here is the Stitch Snowman. I love snowmen, and this is a Stitch snowman, so that makes it even better. And what also helps is that it's the chase pin, so it has a lot of glitter on it, which makes it look really cool. It was a close one though, because I really do love the Stitch Santa pin where he's holding Scrump. I think that one is super cute. And then also the one where Stitch is next to the giant Scrump snowman. I love Stitch's little boots that he's got on. So that one's really good too. But this is a super cute collection. And this is a great unboxing for me, getting 5 out of the 6, including the chase pin. So I'm only missing 1 pin, and that is Stitch holding a present. So that is the one I wasn't able to show you today, but I do still have 2 more boxes of these that I'm saving for a short video, so maybe that one will be in those boxes. So be sure to keep your eye out for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.